beautifully maintained Florida ranch-style home nestled in the heart of Clearwater. This move-in-ready 3-bedroom, 2-bath residence offers the perfect blend of comfort, functionality, and Florida living. Featuring a brand new roof installed in 2026, this home provides added value, peace of mind, and insurance-friendly appeal. From the moment you step inside, you'll appreciate the bright and inviting atmosphere, spacious living areas, and thoughtfully designed floor plan that creates a warm and welcoming feel throughout. The updated kitchen is designed for both everyday living and entertaining, featuring stainless steel appliances, ample cabinetry, and a pantry for additional storage. The renovated bathrooms add modern appeal, while the home's well-maintained condition provides peace of mind for its next owner. Step outside to a generously sized backyard with endless possibilities. Whether you're dreaming of hosting weekend barbecues, creating a garden oasis, adding a play area, or designing your own private outdoor retreat, there's plenty of room to bring your vision to life. Ideally located near shopping, dining, parks, schools, downtown Clearwater, the Pinellas Trail, and world-famous Clearwater Beach, this home offers exceptional convenience and an outstanding Florida lifestyle. With its desirable location, updated interior features, brand new 2026 roof, and spacious outdoor